I want to talk to you like a friend, not like a teacher. Imagine we are sitting together, drinking tea or coffee, and just talking about life, time, and English. The topic today is very simple but very important. Don't waste your time. Learn English with this method for English fluency. I know many of you want to speak English fluently. You want to understand movies, talk to people from other countries, get better jobs, travel, or feel confident when you speak. But many people feel stuck. They study for years, and still they cannot speak easily. Today I want to help you change that. First, let us talk about time. Time is very valuable. Every day you wake up, and you have only 24 hours. When one day is gone, it never comes back. Many people waste years learning English in a slow and painful way. They study grammar rules again and again. They memorize long word lists. They take many tests. But when they meet a real person, they are afraid, nervous, and silent. This is a big problem. It is not because you are bad or not smart. It is because the method is wrong. So please, do not waste your time with methods that do not work for speaking. Think about how you learned your first language. You did not start with grammar books. You did not memorize rules. You listened a lot. You heard the same words again and again. You copied sounds. You made mistakes, and nobody stopped you. Slowly, naturally, you started to speak. Learning English should be more like that. It should be simple, natural, and friendly. Now I want to share a method with you. This method is not new, and it is not magic. It is simple, but very powerful. The most important idea is this: listen first, speak later, and practice every day in a real way. Many people want to speak fast, but they do not listen enough. Listening is the key. If you want fluency, your brain must get used to English. You must hear English every day, not once a week, not only in class, but every day, even for a short time. When I say listen, I do not mean difficult news or boring lessons. I mean easy English. English that you can understand. Maybe you understand 60%, maybe 70%. That is okay. Your brain is very smart. It learns from context. It connects words with meaning. If you listen to easy English every day, your brain starts to think in English without you forcing it. Choose content that you enjoy. This is very important. If you are bored, you will stop. If you like stories, listen to simple stories. If you like daily life topics, listen to conversations. If you like videos, watch videos with simple English. Do not worry about understanding every word. Do not stop every minute to check a dictionary. Just listen and relax. This saves time because your brain learns faster when you are relaxed. Now let us talk about speaking. Many people are afraid to speak because they want to be perfect. They want perfect grammar and perfect pronunciation. This fear wastes a lot of time. Please remember this. Fluency is not perfection. Fluency means you can communicate your ideas easily, even if you make mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teachers. The method is simple. After you listen, you repeat. You copy. You speak out loud. Even if you are alone in your room, speak. Pause the audio and repeat sentences. Copy the rhythm and the sound. Do not translate in your head. Just copy like a child. At first, you may feel silly. That is normal. But this is how your mouth and your brain learn to work together in English. Another important part of this method is using simple sentences. Many learners try to speak with very long and difficult sentences. This slows you down and makes you nervous. Simple English is powerful English. Native speakers use simple sentences all the time. Focus on clear ideas, not fancy words. When you can speak simply and easily, you are already fluent. Let me talk about grammar for a moment. Grammar is not bad, but grammar should not control you. You do not need to think about grammar when you speak. When you listen a lot, grammar becomes natural. You start to feel what sounds right. Just like in your first language, you do not think about rules when you speak. Grammar study can help a little, but only after you have a strong base from listening and speaking. Consistency is another key. Many people study English for 2 hours one day, then stop for 1 week. This is a waste of time. It is better to study 20 or 30 minutes every day. Every day you listen, every day you speak a little. This builds a habit. Habits change your life. Even on busy days, do something small. Listen while you walk, while you cook, or before you sleep. Now I want to talk about motivation. Learning English is a long journey. Some days you feel good. Some days you feel tired. This is normal. Do not wait for motivation. Create a routine. When English becomes part of your daily life, you do not need to force yourself. You just do it, like brushing your teeth. Do not compare yourself to others. Some people learn faster, some slower. Your journey is your journey. The only person you need to be better than is the person you were yesterday. If today you understand a little more or speak a little easier, that is success. Another very important idea is to use English in real life. Do not keep English only in books or apps. Use it. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. Talk about your day. If you have a chance, talk to real people. Online or offline, it does not matter. The more real your practice is, the faster you improve. Many learners say, "I understand English, but I cannot speak." This means you need more speaking practice, not more grammar. Start small. Speak for 1 minute, then 2 minutes. Slowly, your confidence grows. Confidence comes from action, not from thinking. Let us talk about wasting time again. Scrolling on your phone for hours, watching videos in your own language, complaining that English is hard. All these things waste time. You do not need more time. You need better use of time. Even 10 minutes of focused English is better than 1 hour of unfocused study. This method works because it follows how the brain learns language. Listen a lot, understand the message, repeat, speak, and use English every day. It is simple, but many people do not do it because it looks too easy. They think learning must be hard to be real. But easy and natural learning is the fastest way. I want you to imagine your future. Imagine yourself speaking English easily. You do not translate. You do not panic. Words come out naturally. You smile when you speak. This future is possible for you. Not only for talented people, not only for young people, but for you. Age does not stop you. Fear stops you. Wrong methods stop you. When you change the method, you change the result. Please be patient with yourself. Fluency does not come in 1 week or 1 month. But if you use this method every day, you will see progress. Maybe after 1 month, you understand more. After 3 months, you speak more easily. After 6 months, you feel different. Small steps every day create big changes. Let me say this clearly. Do not waste your time. Do not wait for the perfect book, the perfect teacher, or the perfect moment. Start now. Start today. Choose easy English. Listen. Enjoy. Speak. Repeat. Make English part of your life, not a school subject. In the end, learning English is not just about language. It is about confidence, connection, and growth. When you learn English, you open doors. You meet new ideas, new cultures, new people. You become a stronger version of yourself. Thank you for listening to me today. I hope you feel encouraged, not stressed. Be kind to yourself. Use your time wisely.